people of the internet. Since Scavenger Miner is out, we've all been trying to mine night tokens through the browser. It works fine, but the catch is, you need to keep your browser open and running all the time. And every now and then, you'll have to restart the mining process, which can get a bit annoying. So, I was scrolling through my Twitter feed when I came across a post by Pool Shamrock. He built a bot that mines night tokens like crazy. At first, I wasn't sure if it would even work on a Mac. But hey, where there's a will, there's a way. After thinking about it for a day, I decided to give it a shot. In this video, I'll walk you through how to set up the mining bot for Midnight. Let's get started. All the instructions are available on @PoolShamrock's GitHub page, and I'll include all the commands in the description below. Let's set up our Mac. First, we'll need Homebrew installed to run the bot. Use this command to install Homebrew. It'll also install Xcode command line tools if you don't already have them. Next, let's update the shell. Now, we need to install Node version 20 or higher. Just run the next two commands and then verify the version. After that, we'll install Rust. Follow the next two commands and verify the version once it's done. Now, we'll create a folder to install the bot. The location doesn't matter. Desktop or downloads, either is fine. Clone the repo and CD into it. Then, go into the hash engine folder and build the hash server using the provided commands. Once it's done building, move back out of that folder and run the next two commands. npm install and npm run build. When the hash server is up and running, open a new terminal window, go to the bot folder, and run npm run start. That's it. It'll give you your local IP with port 3001. That's where you can access the bot's UI. When you open that URL, it'll ask you to create a new wallet. Set a wallet password, and it'll generate your seed phrase. Make sure to keep that safe as always. Once that's done, it'll ask you to enter your password again to unlock the wallet and begin the process. The UI is super clean and organized. You've got the dashboard, history, rewards, and a bunch of other tabs. Head over to the Scale tab to set your preferences. Since I'm setting this up on an M1 Mac, the system here is medium grade. It gives you the best configuration suggestions. Apply the changes and start the bot. Bot UI will initiate the process and start the wallet registration process. It will take some time, so sit tight and let the bot do his thing. Once all the wallets are registered, just refresh your UI to see the updates. You'll see your workers, history, dashboard, and addresses all populate. I also tested the bot on the Mac M3, and you can see its performance here. Big shout out to @PullShamrock for building this awesome bot. Oh, and one last thing. There's a dev fee option. When enabled, 1 out of every 17 solutions goes toward the developer. I highly recommend keeping it on so they get some reward too. It's thanks to their hard work that we've gone from making pocket change to making actual dollars. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up, drop a like. Consider staking with Enigma Stake Pool. Take care, everyone.